Now come to NCERT exercise. Question number 1. Convert the following temperature to the Celsius scale. 293 Kelvin. That means 293 minus 273. It's okay? That is 20 degrees Celsius. 470 Kelvin. That means 470 minus 273. Number 2. Convert the following temperature into Kelvin scale. 25 degrees Celsius. That means 25 degrees Celsius plus 273. That means 25 plus 273. That must Kelvin. 373 degrees Celsius. That means 273 plus 373. The answer. It's okay? Number 3. Give reason for the following observation. Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. Since naphthalene ball is a sublimable substance, it gets sublime. That means it changes the state from solid to vapor. Therefore, it completely get vaporized. Second bit, we can get the smell of perfume by sitting several meters away. Since air has maximum rate of diffusion, that means get the smell of perfume sitting several meters. Perfume, that means deo or any scent. That means it very quickly convert to gas. Gas means you know that gas has high rate of diffusion. Therefore, they diffuse in the atmosphere. So we can notice that a perfume is sprayed. Number 4. Arrange the following substance in increasing order of their force of attraction between the particles. Force of attraction means the basic concept is solid has high force of attraction, gas has very low. Here water, sugar, oxygen. Increasing order means first oxygen, then water, then sugar. It's okay? Number 5. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius? 25 degrees Celsius means water is liquid. 0 degrees Celsius means at 0 degrees Celsius water is solid as well as liquid. Both state will present. 100 degrees Celsius liquid as well as vapor. Question number 6. Water at room temperature is liquid. Give 2 reasons. Okay. Since water has a definite volume, therefore it is liquid. Second, since water has no fixed shape, that means it will take the shape of the container, therefore it is a liquid. Second, an iron almirah is solid at room temperature. Since it has a definite shape and size, therefore it is solid. Second, since it has very least compressibility, that means you are not able to compress it, therefore it is a solid. Number 7. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin is more effective in cooling than water at same temperature? This question number 7 and 8 always coming in the exam. So just carefully observe. Ice at 273 Kelvin means 0 degrees Celsius. It is more effective in cooling than water at same temperature. Just I am explaining, then I will tell you the answer. You have noticed that water at 0 degrees Celsius, if you put on your hand or where it will put, it absorbs the temperature of the surroundings, so its temperature goes on rising. But if you put ice there, first ice start melt. Till the whole ice will not convert to liquid. Till then, that means till that time, the temperature of ice will remain 0 degrees Celsius. It never increase suddenly like water. Its temperature will remain 0 till the whole ice will convert to liquid. It's okay? So what will the answer here? Since ice has latent heat of fusion, so the temperature remains 0 degree till the whole ice will convert to liquid. Therefore, ice at 273 or 0 degrees Celsius is more effective for cooling. Question number 8. What produce more severe burn? Boiling water or steam? You know that boiling water has temperature 100 degrees Celsius, steam has also temperature 100 degrees Celsius. But steam causes severe burn because it has latent heat of vaporization. Question number 9, page number 12 in your book. Just see the figure. A, B, C, D, E, F in the following diagram. A means solid to liquid. You just see the arrow mark given. A means solid to liquid. That means melting. B means liquid to gas. That means boiling. Then C means gas to liquid. That means condensation. D means liquid to solid. That is solidification. E means solid to gas. That means sublimation. F means gas to solid. That is also sublimation.